Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how you can use Inscribe's collect feature to more seamlessly collect documents from your applicants and make sure you get the right document the first time that meets your business requirements. So let's first jump into the decision engine here on the left side to give you a sense of what this looks like. First thing we're going to do is jump into document checks and create a new check based on some of the common requirements that we typically see from customers. I've pre-created this check with some of those requirements. First, we'll see that the document type must be, in this case, a bank statement, but we can add any number of classifications from this dropdown. Next, we're going to see that the days since issue must be less than 180. So we're saying that this bank statement must be less than 6 months old, or else we're not going to accept it. Again, you can change this number of days to whatever you'd like. And then the third check that I'm setting is that the quality score must be greater than 80. So the quality score is an indication of how readable or clear the document is. So if we're getting a document that has a low quality score, it's unlikely that we'd want to process or potentially accept it anyways. Last step I'm going to take is I'm going to display this check during a collect session so that when the customer uploads a document, they can see whether or not it passes these checks or whether it failed one of the requirements. Now we'll jump back into the customers and go to this collect example one. You'll see here we don't have any documents yet for this customer, but what we'll do is go to our collect portal and specify what we'd like. Let's say in this case we want to collect a bank statement. Again, this link can be generated here from the web application, or this can be done via API. But let's go ahead and generate the link, and we'll open it in a new window. Now you can see here that this is a portal similar to what your customers would see when they're uploading their documents. However, this can be branded with your logo, your own text, your coloring. It can be embedded into your own document collection flow. But what we're going to do is upload a statement that's actually going to fail one of these three requirements that we've set. In this case, we're going to upload a bank statement that has a high enough quality score, and it is a bank statement, but it wasn't issued recently enough, so it's going to fail that check. You can see Inscribe is processing this document now and looking at the parse date. It's looking at the document classification. It's looking at the quality score. And you can see within just a couple of seconds, we get a message saying we couldn't confirm if your document is recent enough. Please provide a document that clearly shows the date and is from within the last 180 days. So this is nice because this is where a customer can be prompted to upload a document that does meet those requirements. And the other benefit to your team is that the documents automatically go straight into Inscribe for processing, rather than your team having to upload them after they've received them from the customer themselves. So I hope this makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.